Never miss another sale again. What's up everyone, James Jernigan here, and in this short video I want to show you how to use AI, in other words ChatGPT, to close sales for you. But not only close sales, to reach out multiple times to every single website visitor who's interested in your products. So I'm going to show you how to set this entire thing up step by step in this video, and I even have some bonuses for you throughout the video for those of you who stick around and watch the entire thing. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the steps that you need to follow to set up a ChatGPT automation that will close sales for you. In other words, an AI closer. So if that sounds good to you, comment yes on this video right now if you think you would make more sales if you could follow up with every single website visitor that you get. But the good news is you don't have to follow up because AI is going to do it for you. I'm going to show you how right here in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. The very first step in this process is to grab the software. You can't do anything without tools, so you're going to need a tool to make this happen, and I've got a few options for you. If you're the skeptical type of person, you can go ahead and grab a free trial. Again, this is available at AIcashplan.com. You can grab a free trial of this software, follow the steps I'm going to show you in this video, set it all up, see if it works, and then decide if you want to pay for it. But for those of you who are sure that this is something you need, I'm going to show you how to get a massive discount. In other words, save over $2,000. So make sure you watch the video. I'll explain how all that works in a few seconds. I just want to make sure we're all on the same page and go through these steps. So the very next step, whether you go with the free version or not, is to import my landing page and change the text. Very simple. So I'll show you what that looks like. Here is my landing page. Again, this is AIcashplan.com. And what I'm going to do is drop a link right below this video so you can clone this page that you're looking at here. Then literally all you have to do is come in here and change this text so it applies to your offer. You can change the image here if you want. Obviously you're going to want to put your face instead of mine, but that's it. You literally just type in what you want this page to say and it's done. It's already set up for you. So like I said, there's a link to that below this video. Now here's how this works. On the next page you have two different options here. There's an annual subscription option for the software I'm going to be using in this video. Now if you take that option, it's going to save you $2,364 off of the regular price of this software. Plus, if you do that, I'm going to go in and set this entire system up for you within 7 days. So by the end of the week, this will be up and running and completely hands off. Now for those of you who want to do it yourself, there's another button right down here for a monthly subscription. You could do it yourself. This is still going to save you over $100 a month off the regular price of this software. If you don't believe me, just scroll down here to where it says go high level, click on it, and you'll see the lowest tier that they offer is $179 or $197 a month, which is exactly what I'm going to charge you for the top tier of their system. So you get all the features. So obviously a no-brainer, but like I said, you could set it up, use it for free for 7 days, and then if you decide, hey, I don't want my customers followed up with, I don't want to make more sales, then you know what, it is what it is. But let's keep going. I want to run through this and just show you how easy this can be. So the next thing you need to do is to create your list and set a trigger. In other words, the trigger is the opt-in. So when someone comes to your landing page here, just like the one you cloned of mine right here, and they put their information in, that's it. AI or automation is going to take it from there and follow up with them every day until the sale is closed. So here is exactly what that looks like. So here you see this is the trigger here, form submitted. So what that means is, again, once somebody fills out this form and submits it, from now on, automation is going to take care of the rest. So you can see I have a timer here. This waits about 20 minutes and then it sends them an email. So if I click on this, you can see exactly what this looks like. Here I've got my information at the top. Your free automation tools are waiting. Hey, James here, you're going to love this. For a limited time, the platform I use to set up all these fancy landing pages and automations is giving away 2-week free trials. That means you could set up the exact funnels and automations I use, run them for 2 weeks without spending a dime. Do you think that would increase your sales? If so, grab your free account right now. Boom. So they get that email automatically after opting into my list. So then you'll see another wait timer here, and then they get an SMS, a text message. So the text message says, "What's up, James here. Did you get logged into your free Go High Level account? Okay. Shoot me an email at official jamesjernigan at gmail.com if you need any help getting started. I'm happy to help." So you can see they've got an email, they've got a text message, then it waits, then it literally sends them a voicemail. So literally all I did was record a short message here on my computer. I dragged it and dropped it in here, and check this out. Hey, James here. I just wanted to make sure you were able to get logged in and get everything set up in your high-level account. This is a really powerful way to 100x your follow-up with everyone who comes to your website. It's the same tool I use to send out all of these automated messages and follow up with you. So if you aren't already doing this for your customers, it's a super easy way to increase your sales. So the message goes on, but you get the idea. Basically, these are all getting delivered on autopilot. So I don't have to go log into my computer and type out an email to send to my followers. I don't have to go on my phone and send a text message. I don't even have to pick up the phone and call them. They're just getting this all delivered on autopilot. So I've just started setting this up. You can see here, this is basically a week-long sequence so far, filled with text messages, emails, and voicemails. And again, this is what I want to show you how to set up here. So like I said, the first step is to grab the software. Then you're going to import my landing page and change the text. Super simple, should take you no more than 10 minutes. And then you need to actually create your list and trigger opt-in. So I'll show you what that looks like. And then the next step we're going to do is create an automated sequence of follow-up emails, text messages, and voicemails. And again, we're going to use AI to do that. So it's really not going to take us much time at all. So what I want to do here is go back to workflows here, just so you can see inside my account exactly what this looks like. So we'll give it a second here. This is just a demo account I've set up, which is why it's asking for my payment info, but I just wanted to set this up to show you exactly what it looks like, and how it all works. So it looks like my computer's being slow. I might need to give this page a refresh. But again, these are the steps that we're doing. So it's very simple. You're going to close the landing page, then you're going to set up your list and your trigger, and then you just create this automated sequence. So as soon as this page loads, I'll go ahead and show you how to set that up. But for a minute now, we can actually move ahead and just start creating the content. So I'm here inside of ChatGPT. I have one of my prompts loaded in, and if what I'm going to show you here blows you away and you want to get the exact same results, you can actually just grab my prompt. If you head to contentinstantly.com/prompts, you can grab not only this prompt I'm going to be showing you here, but a bunch of other prompts I use for writing video scripts, for writing landing page text, and even a jailbreak on how to get ChatGPT to stop censoring your answers and actually give you the results you're looking for, regardless of whether the creators of ChatGPT might have any ethical or legal dilemmas with giving you that information. There's a prompt in there that's going to show you how to get all that information out. But anyways, so here's all we have to do with this prompt. We have to tell it our business name. So I'll say AI Cash Plan, and product description. AI Cash Plan is an automated system that uses artificial intelligence to close sales using a series of follow-up messages after someone visits your website. Pretty generic. So target service area, online businesses, not so much a service area, but it'll get the idea. So target audience, people who have an online business but are letting sales fall through the cracks due to poor follow-up. Pretty simple. So now what I'm going to do is click submit. I'll come back over here. So here you can see I have my workflow here. So all you need to do to create a new workflow in this system is literally click this blue button that says create workflow. Again, you've grabbed your free account or you've grabbed a year subscription. So now you're inside the software. You come to this tab over here that says automation. You've clicked new workflow, and we can even click start from scratch. So again, this is going to take some time to load because my internet is being quite slow, but we'll come back here and see what ChatGPT is up to. So we've told it to write us emails, so here we go. Email 1, boost your online business with AI Cash Plan. Hey, recipient's name, are you tired of losing potential sales and revenue because your follow-up game isn't on par? Don't worry, we've got your back. Introducing AI Cash Plan, the ultimate solution for online businesses like yours. Our revolutionary automated system utilizes cutting-edge artificial intelligence to close sales with precise and finesse. From the moment someone visits your website, AI Cash Plan springs into action, delivering a series of persuasive follow-up messages that leave no lead unattended. And that's important. That is exactly what we want. We want to leave no lead unattended. Every single person that comes to our website, we want to follow up, say, hey, did you get what you're looking for? Are all your questions answered? Is there anything else we could do to move you across that line into becoming a customer? So that's what ChatGPT is doing. You can see here it's already written me 2, 3, 4. It's in the middle of the 4th email. So what I can do here is say I don't like these emails. Say I want them to sound more like somebody famous. You know, I could say, make them sound more like Alex or Mosey's style, right? And this is a super successful influencer in the business niche. He's exploded. Just about everybody knows who he is, and a lot of people like his content. So by making them sound more like something he'd produce, we might be able to get a little bit better results out of this. So we can already check it out. Email 1, get ready to supercharge your online business with AI Cash Plan. So if we scroll back up and we check out the first one it gave us, let's see what this says. Boost your online business with AI Cash Plan. So get ready to supercharge your online business. A little more exciting there. I've got a game changer for your online business that's going to blow your mind. It's time to kick poor follow-up to the curb and start closing sales like a boss. Introducing AI Cash Plan, the ultimate weapon in your sales arsenal. It's a little bit spicier content here, and again, you could see that it's already created me 3 separate sales emails. So now literally all we have to do is here inside of our workflow. So the first thing we're going to do is click add a new workflow trigger. So we can come down, and there's lots of options here, but really all we need is form submitted. You see this option, so I'll click that, form submitted. So we will save trigger. So now what we could do is actually come here, and I believe there's a way we can set it for a specific form. Oh, add filters right here. Here's the button. So form is standard fields. Form is, well, the form I set up is free automation setup. So you'll go ahead and select the form, save trigger, and now this is triggered. Now what that means is every time this form is filled out, everything we create after this is going to happen automatically. So select your first action. Tons of options here again, but we could just go with something simple. Send email. So from name, that's me, James Jernigan. From email, so this is the email that my emails are coming from. So my email is james@profitpassively.com. Subject. Somebody just opted into my form about getting their AI Cash Plan set up, about having leads close their sales. So I might say, AI is waiting to close your customers for you. Right, that's the title. So then we can come down here and type the message. Hey, James here, right? And that's the old way. But the new way is to literally just come over here to ChatGPT. So we're going to grab this first subject line. Get ready to supercharge your online business. We'll come here, subject, paste. That's done. So now we just need the content. So we'll come and grab this first text here. We'll come back. We will paste it in the box here. I don't know why it's not giving me the option to paste, but there we go. Paste it in the box. So now all we need to do is get rid of where it says recipient's name, and of course we could make that say first name so that they get addressed on a first name basis, but I'm just trying to keep this moving as quickly as possible for you. So we'll come down here. Now there's just a few more things you need to do. So to your unstoppable success, so I'll put my name in here, James Jernigan from AI Cash Plan, and now we need the link, right? So here is where I'll put the link to the sales page. Right, and so the point is that if somebody goes to your website and they don't buy the first time and they leave, if you don't have a way to follow up with them, you're going to have to wait until that person comes back to your website, which odds are is going to be never, because they've already seen it, they decided, maybe this isn't right for me, whatever. So unless you create a new piece of content that engages them, gets in front of them, brings them back to your website, or maybe you spend money on an ad, whatever it is, what I'm trying to show you here is there's a much better way. So all I have to do is click Save Action, and you can see now that when someone submits the form, they get an automated email. So all we have to do to continue this process is click Add Another Action, and we come down here, you see this button near the bottom that says Wait. So wait for, you could set it to wait for minutes, hours, or days. So maybe we'll do hours. Maybe we'll say 2 hours. So they get an email, then we want our system to wait 2 hours, and then what I want it to do is deliver them a text message. So I'm going to select SMS, and I'm going to say, hey, James here, I sent you an email a little bit ago, just wanted to make sure you got it. And then you could say something like, reach out if you have any questions. I can't wait to get this set up for you. Right? Simple text message. Save action. So now someone's opted into our form. They've got an email. 2 hours later, they get a text message that says, hey, I just sent you an email. So what I'm going to do next is click this button. I'm going to come back down here to wait. And this time, maybe we will wait 12 hours. Right? So it's later that night or the next morning after they've had some time to cool off. They've come, they've seen our website, they decided they're interested in this, so they put their email in and their phone number. Now they've got an email, they've got a text message reminding them of the email. So now what I want to do is come here and click voicemail. So all I need to do is click this button that says upload file and drop my voicemail into that box. So that's essentially it. That is all you have to do, and then literally you're going to click save, and then the very last step to make this live is this button you see right here where it says draft publish. All you do is click that, drag that slider over to publish, and now your automation is live and it's running, and every single person who opts into your website is now getting followed up with on autopilot. So if you see the value in this, you understand that we're not just going to create 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 of these, but the real value is in creating 30, 60, 90-day sequence that follows up with people, because I can assure you that your competitors are not doing this. They're reaching out manually, they're letting sales fall through the cracks, and if they're not, well, you definitely need to catch up and at least get on their level if you want to compete with them. So that is the basic process, right? You see the next step is sit back and let automation do the selling for you. Of course, you could pick up the phone and call and leave 10, 20, 100 voicemails a day reminding people about your products, or you could let automation do it for you, and then you can even take it to the next level by using ChatGPT to write all of these responses. So for example, if we want to come back here, we could say, turn this into a text message sequence of short SMS messages. Super simple. So look at that. Now it's creating SMS messages for us. Hey, boost your online business with AI Cash Plan. Our automated system plus AI equals a sales powerhouse. Say goodbye to mixed sales. Try it free. And then you put your link right in here. And look at that. It's already created 10 of them for us. So again, all we'd do is come over here, click this button 10 times, copy and paste 10 times, and now we have a series of 10 automated SMS messages that are going out. So of course, if you were super lazy, you could tell it to come up with your voicemails too, and then all you'd have to do is read them out loud, or you could even use a speech-to-text feature if you wanted. Obviously, if you're trying to personalize this, I recommend using your own voice, but that is literally it. So the last step is number 6. I just want to remind you to be smart, save money, and let me do this for you. So again, just to reiterate, if you grab an annual subscription of this software using this button on this page, I will log into your account personally, set all of this up for you so that by the end of the week it's just running on autopilot and you won't have to do a thing. Now, not only are you getting the free setup, but you're saving $2,364 off the cost of this software if you were to just go out and buy it on your own. These are the type of deals I like to deliver to my subscribers as a thank you for engaging with my content. So that is by far the best option, but if that's not what you want to do, you can, like I said, do it yourself. And again, you're still going to save $100 off of the regular monthly subscription of an unlimited Go High Level Agency account, because that's what I'm using to do this. And you'll see, like I said, if you scroll down and you click this green button, you'll see that their standard regular limited plans start at $197 a month, and then their unlimited agency plans are $297 a month. But I've crossed all that out. I'm going to give you all of the features, the unlimited agency features, and I'm going to give it to you for their basic sign-up price, because I really want this to be successful with this. Not only do I want you to set up what I'm showing you here, but I want you to utilize the vast other possibilities of this software. So as you can see, there's tons of stuff over here. You could build websites, funnels, memberships. There's tons of options for marketing. It's way more than I can cover in this video, but my main point here is that I could save you a ton of money. I could actually go do this all for you, and you can have it up and running by the end of the week, literally just by clicking a few buttons. So if that sounds good, head to AI Cash Plan right now, put your information in, and I'll be in touch. Hope this helps, and if you haven't already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below if you want to get these tutorials every time I put them out. You can also click the bell icon. That'll give you a notification on your phone. And other than that, I hope you have a great day. I'll catch you on the next video.